What's going on, family? Black Phoenix shaking in. Just wanted to say something to you real quick. If you need a job, I don't have no problem with helping you. I mean, that's what I'm doing. I'm putting jobs out there to help people provide them. But I'm not trying to tell you how I run my company, what I'm doing with my company. I'm not going through all of that with you, man. Do you ask the white man that when you go get a job and you ask him how y'all get established? How you gonna pay me? How the money coming in? All this crazy ass questions, man. Hey, if you got a problem working for somebody that look like me, go work with me. That's fine. It ain't gonna hurt my feelings. Last time I checked, I'm not looking for a job. You are.